You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn a new Spanish word today. This means work. It's also a job in Spanish. So how do you say work or job in Spanish? Trabajo, trabajo. Okay, so you've got this Spanish J sound, very good rule. Ho. If you cannot pronounce it, you can replace it with an H and say trabajo, trabajo. That works. It's very close, so people will understand what you're trying to say. But Spanish, trabajo, trabajo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.